Good morning, Standard 4th, Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. Lesson number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. By use of force. The Mavlas of the 12 Mavlas gathered round Shivaji, ready to do his bidding. They lived for Swaraj and were willingly to die for it. They were simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their life. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievement. He had to bring such people to book. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardar in the service of Adil Shah. The Shah incited them against Shivaji. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drove them out. Babaji Naik, Nimbalkar of Fulton, was Shivaji's own brother-in-law, but Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Moite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. With Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. By use of force, the Maulas of 12 gathered around Shivaji, ready to do his bidding. They lived for Swaraj and were willingly to die for Swaraj. They were simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their life. But some other people Shivaji and hated again Shivaji and the work he was do it. For generations they had served the Adilshahi kingdom of Bijapur. They naturally jealous of Shivaji's gifts. Sardar like Nimbalkar, Ghurpade, More opposed Shivaji's efforts to establish Swaraj. It was necessary to bring them book and teach them lesson. Khandoji and Baji Ghurpade were two Sardar in the service of Adil Shah. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drove them out. Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton. He was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. However, later on members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite, a near relative of Shivaji, he also started plotting against Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. Shivaji say first duty came and relatives afterwards. Chandrarao More of Javli. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and applauded everywhere. He captivated the heart of his people. Some people did not like this. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. The More of Javli was one such person. More was the Jahagirdar of Javli. This Jahagir, which extended from Rajgarh to Koyna Valley, along with the title Chandra Rao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javli was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight the sun's rays hardly hardly penetrated. It was full of wildlife. Tiger, owls, and bears roamed freely in the Javli forest. More's Javli was thus like a tiger hideout. No one therefore crossed More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Daulat More died in 1645. There was fight for the succession among these descendants. Shivaji's backed Yashwantrao More, who with Shivaji's help ascended the Gadi as Chandra Rao. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. But he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gadi. Impertinent and troublesome, he started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless Morez was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and applauded everywhere. But some people did not like this. They jealous on Shivaji. The Mores also jealous on Shivaji. More was the Jahagirdar of Javli. Adil Shah had conferred the title of Chandrarao on the Mores of Javli. Their Jahagir extended from Rajgarh to Koyna Valley. Javli was covered with a thick forest that even during broad light daylight the sun's rays hardly penetrated it. It was full of wildlife. Wild animals roamed freely in the Javli forest. Daulat More died in 1645. Yashwantrao ascended to the Gadi of Chandrarao after the death of Daulat Rao. With the help of Shivaji, Yashwantrao promised to Shivaji that he help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay annual tribute. But Yashwantrao forget his promise and started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. So Shivaji decided to punish Yashwantrao More. Rebel and you will die. Shivaji first sent a steep note to Yashwantrao More. You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me, so do not call yourself the Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwantrao said, You are a Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Dhauli, you will be trapped. By the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also, in his graciousness, given me a throne and panoply of Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Shivaji replied, Give up Javli and your pretensions of kingships. Come before your master with folded hands and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. The conquest of Javli was a difficult operation. It was covered with a thick forest and protected by the impregnable Rairi fort. More also had numerous followers. Shivaji, after making thorough preparation, attacked Javli. Yashwantrao held out for about a month but suffered very heavy losses. Then escaped to Rairi along with his family. Shivaji conquered Javli and then marched on Rairi. He laid siege to Fort Rairi. Yashwantrao fought desperately for 3 months, but he had to give up. Ji first sent a steep note to Yashwantrao More. He said, You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me, so do not call yourself Raja. Yashwantrao sent an insulting reply, You are Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you came to Javli, you will be trapped. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. After giving the final warning, Shivaji attacked Javli. Conquest of Javli was a difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest. After making thorough preparation, Shivaji attacked on Javli. More suffered heavy losses and escaped to Rairi with his family. Shivaji laid siege to Rairi and forced More to give up fighting and hand over Rairi. Yashwantrao More's army joined Shivaji's army. Therefore, the conquest of Javli was very important. Fourth, Raigad. The conquest of Javli was a very important landmark. This doubled the boundaries of Swaraj under Shivaji. Yashwantrao's army to join the force of Shivaji. The strong Rairi fort became a part of Swaraj. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. He changed its name to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on a Borappa hill nearby. It was named Pratapgarh. The conquest of Javli was a very important landmark. Area of Swaraj doubled after the conquest of Javli. The strong fort of Rairi became a part of Swaraj. Yashwantrao More's army joined Shivaji's army. Later on, Shivaji built a new fort on the Borappa hill nearby. It was named Pratapgarh. Work, write question and answer of this lesson. Page number 31. This is your exercise. Question 1. Find out the wrong pair A, B and C. Question 2. Write the answer in one sentence A and B. Then question 3. Write the answer in 2 or 3 sentences A and B. Then activities also you do at home. Collects the picture of Raigad.